Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into CROTCHET. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Vagary, which means an unexpected and inexplicable change in a situation or in someone's behavior. Vagary. For example, the vagaries of the weather. Number 2. WHIM, which means a sudden desire or change of mind, especially one that is unusual or unexplained. WHIM. For example, success depends upon something as arbitrary as human whim. Number 3. Caprice, which means a sudden and unaccountable change of mood or behavior. Caprice. For example, the staff tired of his tyranny and his caprice. Number 4. KINK, which means a quirk of character or behavior. KINK. For example, I haven't come here to talk about my sartorial kinks. Number 5. Quirk, which means a peculiar aspect of a person's character or behavior. Quirk. For example, he likes working with people he knows because they know his quirks. Number 6. Idiosyncrasy, which means a distinctive or peculiar feature or characteristic of a place or thing. Idiosyncrasy. For example, the idiosyncrasies of the prison system. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.